oras sa buong kapuluan, sa buong Pilipinas, Philippine Standard Time. 3 minuto makalipas ang alas 2 ng hapon. Ito na mga kaibigan, makakausap na po natin itong 4 na magagandang lalaki. Okay, umpisahan po natin. Sila po ay miyembro ng Code R. Mamaya aalamin natin sa kanila bakit Code R. May sunog ba? Para bang nakakaiba itong kanilang pangalan. Umpisahan natin sa kanila, sino ba mas senior ito? Gagilangin ba natin ang seniority? O hindi? Di ba? Okay, gagilangin na lang natin. Okay, daanin muna natin sa advisor. Yan. Advisor. So, walang iba kundi si Sir Dave Agbulo. Sir Dave, magandang hapon.
Magandang hapon sa lahat ng tagapakinig ng programa ni Sir Edwin Go, yung motorsiklo eksklusibo. At bago lahat, gusto kong batiin siya at ang kanyang asawa ng happy anniversary sa inyo.
Nagsisip-sip din. Okay, sumunod naman ang kanilang sarhento. Bago tayo pumunta sa presidente, daanan natin paakyat. Sarhento, Sergeant at Arms, si Ryan Rivera. Sir Ryan, yan. Lapit sa mic. Lapit sa mic, hindi ka kakagatin ng mikropono. Yan.
Good afternoon po.
Yan, okay, good afternoon. And of course, ang kanilang vice-presidente. Itong vice po, mga kaibigan, mahal na mahal ko ang posisyon ng vice. Dahil siya po maraming bisyo, siya ay busy parate. Okay? Walang iba kundi si Heriberto Acabong Remigio. Bong, good afternoon, Sir Bong.
Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa lahat.
Ayan, okay. And of course, ang kanilang Pangulo, napakabata po. Palagay ko ito, mahilig tong guy na to sa mga awit ng Bee Gees, no? Kasi may miles, eh. Diba? Ano kanta yun? 100 miles? 100 miles, diba? Anyway, ang kanilang Pangulo po, mga kaibigan, si Jomil Hernandez, aka Miles. Sir, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Good afternoon po sa mga supporters po ng DCME.
Okay. Hindi lang DCME, pati motorsiklo eksklusibo. Okay. So anyway, umpisa natin. Sir Miles, bakit Code R? Ano ibig sabihin ba ng Code R?
Bali yung acronym po, Code R, Community of Disciplined and Effective Riders.
Ayun, Disciplined and Effective Riders. Okay, what made you guys decide to come up with this group? Ano bang layunin? Ano ba nasa likod nito? Sino gustong sumagot sa inyong 4? Vice, kailangan busy ka. Kailangan maging busy ka na. Sige. Ano bang dahilan? Bakit nyo naisipan itatag itong Code R? Ano ba meron? Marami ba kayo nakikitang undisciplined riders at mga hindi effective riders? Kaya kayo nag-come up with a community of disciplined and effective riders. Yan. Sige.
Bago siguro ibasahin ni Bong yung vision mission statement ng Code R, gusto ko lang bigyan ng background as to how the Code R came about. Maraming motorcycle organizations that are out there. And alam naman natin, outside of the family, ang rider is being strongly influenced by the organization ng motorcycle groups that he is affiliated with.
Oh yes, dahil parang yun ang second family na niya, di ba?
That's right, correct. And these organizations will have a significant role sa behavior o mentality ng isang rider. No? So malaking impact yan. And we've always valued family more than just the motorcycle organization. So dinala namin yung family concept doon sa motorcycle organization. So doon siya nagsimula. Tulad nga nung nabanggit ko nung dati na pag ikaw sumakay ng motor, dahil sa always remember to look back and think about the family members at home waiting for you. Yun. Isipin mo sila na pag nagmaneho ka, siyempre nga, huwag kang pag-ewang-gewang. Yun ang mabilis. Kasi isipin mo, maraming mga tao, kapamilya mo, na nag-aabang sa'yo, umuwi ka ng buo.
Siyempre. Kaya nga, one of our prayers always, at the end of the program, siguro Sir Dave, if you remember, no? We always say a short prayer before we formally close our program, and we always pray that the Lord may bring back all the riders back to their loved ones, di ba?
Yes, that's correct. That's right. That's right. So,
Yes.
doon siya hindi lang basta organization na but the family values and yung traditions or principles, beliefs, nilagay na namin sa motorcycle organization. Again, ang bottom line is, umuwi ka sa pamilya mo ng buo dahil marami nagmamahal sa iyo.
Very good.
Nag-aabang. Yeah.
Very well said, Sir Dave. Eto, babatiin muna natin. Paki ano naman ng konti. Yan. To all, please support RFAC on May 27. Let's keep changing lives. 1 mile at a time from team of RCP. Of course, again, pinapaalam po lahat ng mga nakikinig, lahat ng mga riders, if you like to join RFAC sa May 27. And of RFAC sa May 27. And of course, hi MX, una po, greet ko po mga brothers ko sa Code R. Sila Bong, Ryan, Dave, and Miles. Miss ko na kayo. Yan. From Pintados, Batang E.
Siya nga pala, bagong lahat. Gusto ko rin na batiin si Mark Flores, no? Special mention for Mark. And also si Nelson. Isang magiting na kapatid yan eh.
Siyempre.
So, maraming salamat kay Nelson din.
We are all one big family
Correct.
here in this motorcycle community.
Yes. Alam mo naman, siyempre, there is no organization that has a monopoly of ideas eh. Diba?
Exactly. Well said.
So,
I will not argue with that.
kaya everyone's free to choose, no? Depende kung ano nga ang priority mo sa buhay. Like in our case, the family has always been and will always be our priority.
Ayun. Pero bago ko i-follow up yung question, kasi maganda yung sinabi niya eh. The family is the priority ng Code R. Kasi baka pag may follow-up question na ako, di na natin mabasa yung mission vision. Eh. Diba? So sige, basahin mo muna yan na mission vision. Sino ba magbabasa niyan? Si Bong o si Miles? Si Bong. O Bong, busy ka yun. Hindi, sarhento lang si Ryan eh.
Ang vision namin is to be one of the most respected motorcycle group noted for its discipline, God-honoring, family-oriented values, and brotherhood. Now, our mission is a group of riders dedicated to motorcycle safety and discipline, and an organization devoted to God, family, and service to community, which is also a brotherhood committed to harnessing the skills of its members to enable them to be the best of what they do, and provide the knowledge, proper training, and skills for its member for its safe journey.
Wow, I like that. The family is always there in the group ng Code R. Pres, ang membro ba ng Code R lahat ay may asawa na? O nagtatanggap din kayo ng singular?
Single pa ako, sir.
Maraming single dito.
Maraming single. Maraming single. Talaga?
Maraming
O kasi ibang klase yung mission and vision nyo. Puro may family ako na di ba? Kaya
Yun naman pong family, kung single, syempre, yung
mga
parents
nanay,
niya,
o nanay, tatay, yung mga ate, kuya.
yung mga girlfriend, yan.
Ayan,
Ay,
mga girlfriend.
pala, girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
Okay, so it's really nice. So you know, it's the first time that I have interviewed a rider club or a riding group na talagang nilagyan ng pansin yung family at yung pagbabalik ulit sa pagbiyahe sa kanilang pamilya.
Correct.
Yes.
So, ano ba ang patakaran ng Code R kapag may biyahe kayo sa inyong mga back ride? Kailangan ba yung ba ay legal, authorized, unauthorized, lucky, recent one? Di ba? Paano ba ang parang alituntunin ng Code R pagdating doon sa bagay niyo?
Pagdating sa ganyan, yung Code R, like we said, na obvious naman sa pangalan, discipline. So we are a group that proudly declares, openly declares to everybody, we do not allow blinking. Maliban sa drinking, dun muna tayo sa mga rides, sa mga back ride.
Okay.
Yan.
So,
Sino bang diyan? Sino bang pwede? Yung legal, yung lucky, yung recent, ano pa ba? Ano ba tawag doon? Favorite?
ganun ba?
Siyempre, sir, dapat yung only one lang.
Yung the only one lang.
Yung only
Ayun.
one lang.
Only one lang. Okay, that's nice. That's
So,
nice.
yan, we also declare na only authorized
Authorized back rider. So pag hindi authorized, that means hindi pwede sumama yung rider na yon doon sa biyahe na yon.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi
Kapag bit-bit niya, halimbawa, nagkataon, nakalimutan niya, na isama niya si favorite.
yan, it's not, kasi we focus on the family
Kaya
talaga.
nga Kaya nga. So talagang at least clear cut
Yes.
sa lahat ng mga
Yes.
members, di ba?
Yes.
You don't care about their private lives, pero
Correct.
once they're going to join you in a ride,
Yes.
kailangan is yun talagang authorized na back rider lang.
Yes.
Yes.
So kung
Correct.
sino yung binigay na sa biodata, halimbawa si Dave, o pag si Dave, sinulat niya Dave Agbulos, ano ba pangalan ng misis ni Dave?
Pixie.
Si Pixie. So kapag wrong spelling yung Pixie, lusot.
Hindi pa rin excuse yun eh.
Hindi ba rin
Yan.
Baka sabihin, di ba, spelling pero sounds like di ba? Hindi. Ito, meron tayo isang question galing sa ating when was the Code R established? Miles?
Last year po, October 22nd.
So, how many riders did you start with? Yung Code R? 5, 10, 4?
Basically, yung officers po, 7.
7. Okay. So right now, ang Code R naman, Sergeant at Arms, ilan na ba ang miyembro ng Code R? Ilapit ko na lang yung mic. Yan, nagagalaw naman Huwag ka mahiya. Hawakan mo,
Sa
hawakan.
bilang po namin umaabot namin ng 20.
20.
Disciplined riders.
Wow, talagang it's growing, ha?
Opo.
Meron bang female rider na kasali dito, Bong?
Meron.
Ilan? Ang Bong, lapit.
Meron.
Ilan yung female riders nyo?
So far, isa pa lang naman.
Si Pixie.
This Pixie, authorized back rider.
Authorized back rider.
Authorized back rider yan si Pixie.
Ganon. So, hindi siya rider. Hindi siya, ano lang siya, authorized back rider.
Authorized.
Pero sino yung talagang rider na lady rider niyo?
Yung only one.
Pati
Yung only one ko.
Nagkakabistuhan na rin.
Ganun ba? Sorry hindi ko alam yun Wala nagbigay sa akin yun kasi I'm just...
Binata naman yan okay lang.
Sige.
So we have one. Her name is Sarah Carion.
Sarah.
She's Sarah Carion.
Okay. Hi, Sarah. If you're watching, Sarah, I didn't put him on the spot. Nagkataon lang na gusto ko malaman kung may lady rider. Okay, eto pa, ang tuloy na komento ni Nelson, no? Sabi niya, pakigreet na rin ang troop na Batang X, Moto Club at ang BTX kay Rene Majimbu at kay Rudy. May kasabihan po, ang mabilis magpatakbo ng motor, malapit din sa disgrasya. Tumpak ka dyan, Nelson. Tumpak ka dyan. Yung sobrang bilis magpatakbo ng motor, lalong-lalo na yung wala na sa lugar, talaga, malapit na siya, 6 feet under. Oras na lang ang hinihintay nun. Matsambahan lang. Mapitik lang minsan ng isang pasaway na PUJ o PUB. May paglalagyan na siya. Di ba? So, kaya nga, tamang-tama yung sa inyo, yung Code R, talagang you wanted to promote discipline, di ba, and effective riding. So far ba ang Code R nakapag-attend na ba kayo ng mga safety seminar or meron na ba nag-offer ng safety seminar sa inyong grupo?
Kasi previously, before we put up the Code R, kami lahat nakapag-attend na ng mga safety training seminars. So, we started the group at the right footing. Lahat kami...
Meron na. Kasi, I do believe that all of you came from different clubs din siguro before, di ba?
Correct. That's right.
Iba-iba yan, and then you decided to come up with this Code R group,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
So, lahat kayo meron ng mga safety seminar. So, ano pang ibang mission or ibang goal ng Code R? Do you foresee yourself doing the thing that RFAC is doing or echoing the safety seminar to our solo riders? When we mean solo riders is yung mga riders na walang mga club, na hindi sila nabibigyan ng chance na makakuha ng safety seminar. Yun yung malimit na sinasabing pasaway sa kalye, di ba?
Yes.
Meron ba kayong mga ganong klaseng mission or
Part of it, yes. Later on, as we grow, that will be part of our activity. Imparting discipline and safety to those riders na tinatawag na nating pasaway, because as much as possible, ayaw din naman natin mabawasan ng rider sa kalye. Diba?
Yes, maganda. Eto, may tanong sa inyo. Mukhang may fans club kagad kayo ah. Your vision and mission is safety and valuing one's family. My question is, how would you protect your family during any ride? Galing ito kay Carla. Si Carla siguro ay isa sa ating mga watchers sa live streaming. Siguro narinig niya ang inyong mga mission, vision. How can you protect siguro your family? Siguro if I can add to the question, yung bang official or authorized back rider nyo ay sumasama sa mga safety seminar nyo para alam din nila yung galaw. Di ba minsan pag yung back rider hindi alam, pagka medyo kakaliwa ka, siya naman yung kumukontra pa kanan. Abay, kontrapelo siya, ang gulo nun, ang gulong back rider. Baka yun ang ibig sabihin ni Carla, how can you protect your family? Do you bring your family whenever there's a safety seminar or whatever? Sinasama nyo rin ba na para alam din nila?
Not only safety seminars, as much as possible, all activities ng Code R involve ang family as much as possible. So, everybody knows in the family kung nasaan kami,
What you're doing.
what we're doing. Kasi everything should be, as what we had said kanina, legal, ano? So, authorized people know where we are.
Wag lang yung mga unauthorized, ha?
Yes.
Okay, may follow-up question pa si Carla. Mukha yatang may fans kayo, ha? Mukhang planted to, ha? You have 20 riders of total. How would you promote the organization in order to gain more disciplined riders? Bro, ganda ng tanong niya. Carla, I like your question, ha? Mukhang pinifeed mo itong apat na magandang lalaki kong bisita rito, ha? So how would you do daw in order to gain more disciplined riders? Are you going to open up your club?
Okay. Number one, as of the moment, we are not going for quantity. We're going for quality. No? We would like first kami yung core group, core people in the organization to really play their part very well as good role models to the family and to the communities. We are not after the number of people. We are open, yes. Most of us are using backbone bikes, no? But we're open to any other individuals who might want to join us. But again, we would like to declare in the open, first and foremost, there is no drinking allowed for any Code R event. Malinaw na malinaw sa amin.
So, kapag gusto nila uminom, wag na sila magpa-member sa Code R. Ganun lang kasimple.
Pwede silang uminom sa kanila.
Sa bahay nila, wala na kayong pakialam doon. Pero sa biyahe, kahit overnight,
Kahit overnight, if it's a Code R event,
no drinking.
No drinking.
No drinking.
Strictly.
So yun ang number one rule nyo bago kayo magtanggap ng any member.
Correct.
Kapag gusto nila uminom, wag na kayo sumali. Wala nang maraming usap.
Correct.
Yes.
Huwag ka nang sumali. Openly, we declare, kung iinom ka in any of our events, you are not welcome.
So ganyan lang kasimple.
Ganun lang kasimple.
Point blank.
Point lang. O siguro may bago dahil dun sa inabanggit mo. Siguro next is, bawal na rin mag-text. While riding, no?
Exactly.
Pwedeng uminom, bottomless iced tea. So gusto ko na rin gamitin itong pagkakataon. O baka may gusto mag-sponsor sa amin ng iced tea.
Open Baguio.
So baka may mga iced tea manufacturers dyan, we are open to sponsorship.
So calling Nesty, calling C2, whatever, di ba?
Lalagay namin sa best namin yun.
Okay. Miles, meron kang gusto idagdag?
Apo, Sir Edwin. In addition, gusto ko lang pong i-promote yung website. Yung code-r.webs.com.
Pakiulit para dun sa for the benefit of all who are listening.
Code-r.
Capital ba lahat yun o hindi?
Capital, small lang po.
Small lang.
www.code-r.webs.com.
Webs. W-E-B-S.
Yes.
So, in relation po sa question ni Carla, yun nga, quality members. Pero in a way, we are also welcoming prospect riders to visit the site. Kasi doon po na-discuss yung mga safety riding. So in a way, we're promoting it through internet as well. So parang sa Facebook rin po, pwede rin nilang i-search. We have 50 members so far. Nandun rin po yung mga brothers ko, brother-in-law, So, hindi lang po talaga sa, kundi family-oriented pa rin talaga.
Okay.
Yan lang po.
So talagang talagang talaga yung paninindigan nyo when it comes to if you're going to drive, do not drink. Talagang I like that, ha? I think you should have a tie-up with MX dahil dito for magti 3 years na ang motorsiklo eksklusibo and we're very proud to say that siguro kami lang ang only radio program in the whole Philippines na from the first episode hanggang today narinig nyo, if you're going to drink, don't drive. If you're going to drive, don't drink. Meron na nga nag-text nagalit na nga Wala na raw ba kami iba i-announce? Sawang-sawa na raw sila. At tuwan-tuwa naman ako. Dahil kahit paano, meron pala nakikinig at maisaksak sa utak ng mga riders. Hindi ko rin pinagbabawal yung gusto nyo uminom, no problem. Siguro maybe my stand would be a little softer kaysa sa inyo. Kasi kayo, pati overnight, kung meron kayo event na overnight, bawal, kasi I respect your opinion na baka masobrahan nung gabi, bukas may hangover, so that's a valid point. Pero ako naman, kung overnight, and if the guys would like to drink, ako, siguro no problem, pero control. Yung nga lang, control is a debatable term. So again, sabi ko nga, kanya-kanya tayong pananaw. But if officially, during the ride, at siguro mga 4 or 5 hours before at nakikitang may umiinom, ay bawal talaga yon. That's a no-no also for me. Dahil pag umangat yung espiritu ng masamang alak, hindi mabuti yun. Baka may paglalagyan o pupulutin na naman sa kalsada ang isang rider. Kawawa, di ba? So ito, meron ulit tanong, ito si Carla, mukhang fans nyo. Kilala nyo ba to? Kilala nyo? O, kailangan makilala nyo siguro. Mukhang bilib na bilib sa grupo nyo. Do you have any upcoming projects or rides siguro ibig niya sabihin? Di ba?
Kung
So,
sa projects at this stage in time, ang CODA is still in development stage. No? So we're just talking, brainstorming as to ano ba talaga yung upcoming projects kasi ayaw rin naman namin mag-overlap doon sa may existing na. No? For instance, yung RFAC, nandiyan na yan. They exist because of that. So there is no need. No? Like also, MRO stands for advocacy on some major motorcycle issues. So we have declared our support for MRO. So, nandun na yon. Sa ngayon, yung development projects, like I've said, pinag-iisipan pa namin, pinag-uusapan pa namin. So, developmental stage kami, we're open. Anyone who wants to join us, who values family life, and who believes in very strongly about family values, na sa isang pagiging rider, we're open. So, ganon.
ano pa ba ang ibang condition ng Code R maliban dun sa bawal uminom during any official ride ng grupo? Ano pa ba ibang mga condition para malaman din kasi malay nyo meron din mga riders from other riding group na ayaw uminom pero dahil andun sila na nakasali na baka they might like to transfer house, di ba? From apartment A to apartment B. Walang masama yun, di ba? Wala namang monopoly ng di ba? O, di ba? Wala namang masama doon Malay mo kung hindi naman ako manginginom, pero yung mga barkada ko dito umiinom, pag may mga biyahe, napipilitan lang ako sumama dahil barkada, pero malay mo makahanap siya ng tamang niche niya na grupo, di ba? So ano pa bang ibang requirements to be a member ng CODAR maliban sa you're a good family man, you're not allowed to drink during any ride of Code R, di ba? You can drink at home. Pag may birthday ka sa bahay mo, ikaw uminom. Pero kapag ang Code R pupunta sa bahay mo nakamotor, hindi sila pwede uminom, di ba? So ano pa ba yung mga ibang requirements?
If you've noticed, kung makikita sana ng mga tagapakinig mo, no, na lahat kami, complete
safety gears.
Shoes are safety shoes, motorcycle shoes, no. Kompleto kami, we have reflective vests. Ang bottom line is that kami as the core members of the organization, we believe in responsibility and accountability to the families of our members.
Okay,
so
that's
in all areas of motorcycle riding, we would like to say mananagot kami.
Aha.
Oo. We declare that.
So kung may mga single kayo na miyembro, kilala nyo yung kanilang mga magulang at
Correct.
nagpapakilala rin kayo para
Yes, correct.
kung may mangyari man alam nila kung nasan, di ba?
Yes,
Ang
yes.
kanilang anak, tulad ni Miles, binata.
Oo.
Kasi
So,
ako yung binata.
ay, kala ko, sasabihin ni Miles,
Nakabantay kaming tatlo eh.
Akala ko sasabihin ni Miles, pwede. So tulad ni Bong, di ba? Alam ng mga magulang niya kung sino yung mga barkada niya, kung
Yes.
saan ang biyahe, ganun.
Yes.
So that is the accountability that the Code R is trying to establish.
Yes.
Yes.
Among all its members,
Yes.
Lahat.
talagang strict kayo dun
Strict
sa
kami doon.
area na yun.
Yes, correct.
Aha.
If something happens with his guy when we're driving, I'm accountable for his safety.
Correct.
That's nice.
Mananagot
That's
siya sa
nice.
pamilya ko.
Ibig sabihin siya na magbibigay ng allowance.
Pero hindi naman sa ganun.
Financial lang.
Hindi, pero at
financial,
least
oh.
alam,
Yeah,
di ba?
oh,
Alam,
correct.
merong nag-aalala, hindi yung nag-iiwanan na, di ba?
Correct, oh.
Oo.
Ganun
So
sa
that's
amin.
nice,
Oo,
that's
ganun sa
nice.
amin.
So about that, nagpo-pause muna tayo ng break dahil 2:30 na, medyo maghahanap buhay muna tayo, commercial muna tayo. Okay?